Guys, Higgsfield is about to launch another new AI model called Seedance 2.0. Now, as you can see right here, it says Seedance 2.0 is coming soon. This new AI model allows you to create amazing videos like this. Using this new AI model Higgsfield just launched, you can create amazing videos like what you are watching right now. You will see the camera control. You are going to see amazing videos like this. Now, let me show you some of the preview videos example they released that we should be expecting from this new model called Seedance 2.0. Now, when you look at these videos like this, you are going to see amazing videos like this. Maybe you want to create a scene where two people are fighting, all these fighting movies, you are going to see something like this. And even when it comes to creating like Chinese movies where they are dancing, where they are fighting, you can also create amazing movies with this new AI model that Higgsfield is about to launch very soon. Now, also you can create amazing music videos like motion videos, motion control, how it will follow the step, everything. It is going to work on this new model that Higgsfield.ai just about to launch. Now, you can create amazing movie, different type of movies using this new AI model. Now, let's take a look at the key features we should be expecting from Seedance 2.0. Now, when you check here, it says key features from Seedance 2.0. Now, as you can see, it says one-click recreation. As you can see, the app what we call one-click recreation, where you'll be getting amazing type of videos like this. As you can see this video, now it says turn a single sentence into complete video, trading clips, remainings, iconic scenes. The AI captures style, structure, and intends to you skip videos of manual editing. So you can see it here. Now you can also create, as you can see when you check here, it says on unifying multi-input control. As you can see, feed up to 12 assets at once: image, videos, audio, clip, text. Seedance 2.0 reads each input, rule automatically, and keep your characters consistency no matter how long element you combine. As you can see, no matter how long element you combine, that means you can combine up to 12 clips and it will gather everything together. It will make it a cinematic videos like what you are seeing right now. So with this new model that Higgsfield is about to launch called Seedance 2.0, it is going to be a game changer in video creation using AI. Yes, if you are using AI to create videos, this is going to be a game changer for you. Now, another key frame that we should be expecting, key feature we should be expecting right now is what we call pixel control. As you can see, frame level, as you can see, precision, every character, object, composition, details stay locked across your entire video. Control front, scene transition, scene rendering down to individual frame for a published and professional result. So in the sense, this is going to give you a consistency character. If you want to create a consistency character, unlike the previous AI model, we have seen that some of them don't maintain consistency character. With this, you can create amazing videos maintaining consistency character, and it's going to follow each other according to what Higgsfield is bringing to us on this Seedance 2.0. Now, so let's check another key feature again with multiple camera storytelling. As you can see, this one is also amazing. It says generate new storylines, extend existing videos with natural shot, connection, character movement, and as you can see, narration, environment, sound, camera angles, stay in perfect audio, virtual scene across every cut. So now, as you can see, we're also expecting something like this. Guys, this is going to be amazing. Now, if you are the kind of person who like what you call dynamic action, now as you can see, dynamic action here, if you want to create action movie, you can also use this. As you can see them here, like high impact motion scene. As you can see, say generate intention action. Now you can see a lot of things that Higgsfield is bringing to us this time, and we all know Higgsfield has been one of the best AI platform that has been giving us back-to-back AI model that we can use to generate different type of videos. Now let's keep scrolling so that we see another thing. Now as you can see, say videos generated with Seedance 2.0. Now these are some of the videos that are generated with Seedance 2.0. As you can see, these are different type of videos which you can see, like the one I show you guys before. And also you can see community over 115 million users. So they also have community over 15 million users. Now let me show you some things you need to know. Some of the videos you will see on Higgsfield, like this fighting video. You can also create something like this. Let me play the video so that you guys will see this. Also create something amazing like this. As you can see, if you are the type only want to create cartoon fighting movies with this new Seedance 3.0, you can also create it once. Just give it a single prompt and it's going to generate the full video for you. Now let's check about the motion, or you want to have another videos like this type of videos. You want to create something amazing like this, you can also create something amazing like this with Seedance 2.0. So Higgsfield is bringing this new AI model to us and is about to launch very soon. So if you want to be among of the first people to try this new AI model, all you need to do right now is just to head over to the description of this video. I'll be leaving down the link there, which you just click and you sign up. Immediately you sign up, you click on the notification bar, and immediately if you drop this, you are going to be among of the people to get notified and also try using the AI feature to create amazing movies for yourself. And you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when you subscribe to this YouTube channel, immediately Higgsfield to release this Seedance 2.0, and I make video about that, how you can use the AI to create amazing videos, how you can prompt everything. You should also be among of the people to watch those videos. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when next we drop more videos on how you can use this Seedance 2.0, you should also be among of the people to watch the video. And don't forget to comment in the comment section of this video. Comment Seedance 2.0 in the comment section of this video. This is what you should be expecting from Seedance 2.0. As you can see, say what is unknown so far. As you can see, multi-model input mixing. As you can see, in-model editing capability, quality and speed improvement, advanced motion synthesis, and multiple shot storytelling, character consistency throughout. Now you see all this on this new Seedance 2.0. So if you are among of the people who wants to watch my next video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I start drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.